tracking numbers that would generate from our ERP. We would post those into our e-commerce platform, which is BigCommerce, and it would basically just send an email through BigCommerce to the customer with their tracking information. That tracking link that the customer would receive was basically, we ship with mostly FedEx and USPS, so the customer would just receive, either a FedEx link or a USPS link. So kind of what we were seeing is, the customers are obviously not coming back to us at all. They're going to FedEx or they're going to USPS. So there's no opportunities there for us to brand to us or cross-sell or try to promote other things that we can offer to the customer. And then also the tracking experience on FedEx and USPS is not really the best, and it kind of misses a lot of updates. So some of our challenges we were seeing were, customers weren't really aware if there were delays. They weren't really aware. Maybe they would see initially what the delivery date was, but that was about it. They wouldn't get updates if there was any issues, changes, delays, anything else. So implementing late shipment has helped, mitigate all of that to where we now can give those customers our updates, reduce the amount of times they're reaching out to us for customer support, and it's a branded experience, which is obviously much better for us and the customer. So obviously the ERP and BigCommerce are one side of it, but then you have the actual emails, tracking notifications, and everything. So when we first set up with late shipment, we were on the ListTrack email platform and for SMS as well. And we did set up everything through there. And I say late shipment set everything up for us. It was a very white glove experience, and you guys really took care of everything and matched our brand aesthetic really nicely. You guys took care of the complete setup on the ListTrack side of things. Now we have since transitioned to Attentive for our email marketing, and same thing. You guys just built everything for us in there, got it all set up. I basically just had to let you guys know, hey, we're switching to Attentive. Here's your user for you, and that you guys went in and took care of everything else. I didn't have to do a single thing, so it was definitely very helpful to have your guys' support, late shipment support, to be able to just kind of handle it for us and not have us worry about it. So that's kind of the email marketing side of things. And then of course, from a help desk perspective, we use Gorgeous, and we've been with Gorgeous for a long time. They have really great integrations, and you guys are one of those integrations that goes right into the help desk for us. So that's been really helpful for our customer support team to be able to see all those same tracking details and everything surrounding the packages that we need to. It's right there for them. So that saves. Most of the time, they don't have to do anything because late shipments notifications have already maybe stopped the customer from even needing to contact us. But when the customer does need to contact us still, those details are right there for customer support to be able to use. And it's been very helpful. Yeah. So, for customer support, it's of course tough to quantify exactly how many customers are not reaching out because of it. But if you just take even a small portion of like the amount of delayed emails that we've sent, or tracking issue emails that we've sent out, it's definitely a very measurable amount of customers that are hopefully not reaching out to us. So maybe upwards of for a year, maybe in the $150,000 to $250,000 range that we have saved in support costs. That's obviously the savings side of things, which is fantastic. But the other huge advantage that you have with late shipment is, like I was talking about earlier, we're sending emails that are branded LA Police gear. We're in those emails able to have promotions, offers, links back to our website. So not only are we able to see, okay, we're definitely saving money on support costs from these customers not having to reach out to us. Even if you completely took all of that away, we can easily see in the marketing alone that we get ROI on lateshipment.com just from that. Because of those marketing efforts, we can see in ListTrack and Attentive the tracking, the revenue that comes in from those emails that are sent, because it's all integrated within. So seeing those clicks, conversions, and revenue coming in through ListTrack and Attentive, that alone already pays for lateshipment.com right there. And when you add in the support costs, it's even better. From a brand perspective, I think it makes you just look like a more professional brand, a bigger brand. It makes you seem more reliable for those tracking emails and for the tracking page itself to be branded to you. I think like when I experience those myself, I know I think, okay, this brand has it together more. You know, it's all cohesive. It's all tied to the brand. And then aside from that, of course, on a post-purchase perspective, being able to target those customers who just purchased, we want to get that repeat business quickly. The quicker we can get that repeat business, the better. So being able to hit them in that moment on an email tracking notification that they're very likely to open, they have very high open rates. It's critical. So that's been a really big change for us to be able to utilize those tracking notifications to turn it into post-purchase conversions and additional revenue. Yeah, definitely. And I when I was looking into late shipment, there's a lot of major players in this space, and what really set late shipment apart to me was you have such a full suite of offerings. We don't even utilize everything we could be. You guys have so many features and things that we could be using. So that was really great to see. The white glove experience that was I spoke about was huge. Makes it really easy for us since we're a small business and maybe don't have quite as much time to devote to that. And aside from that, the pricing was much more reasonable than any of the competitors by quite a lot. So not only was it, I'd say, a better experience and a good platform, and very easy for us to set up, but it seemed like it came in significantly under competition to where we were able to save money, still have an amazing experience for our customers, and not add really any load for us. So with that, yes, I would definitely recommend lateshipment.com to anybody looking to do branded tracking notifications or branded tracking pages. It's been a great experience.